have
done
to
it.
check.
See, unfortunately, 70 years nobody bothered about construction and demolition waste, and therefore dust generated from that. When I saw the metro work, I found out that they're digging tons of soil every day, but there is no any trace of dust from metro because they are doing it very scientifically. Same norms we adopted, and first time we have notified construction and demolition waste. So what is that simply means? Now construction and demolition will have to be carried in covers. Then you will have to carry the load of debris in covered vehicle. You will have to water it. So all these measures and dispose of scientifically or give it to the recycling. Every corporation will have recycling plant creating bricks and pavement, paver blocks and other things, tiles, which can be done from debris. So debris will be recycled, will not be allowed to be dumped anywhere. So these are the construction demolition waste we made for the first time in the country.
Today you have told that you are going to form a pollution research institute. Can
Yes.
you give a brief idea about
The
that?
brief idea about Pollution Research Institute is that pollution is becoming very important issue. So there is industrial pollution, there is river pollution, there is air pollution because of vehicular pollution. There are all kinds of pollution. And we have Central Pollution Control Board, but we don't have a Pollution Research Institute. So we want to start pollution research. We have 9 forest research institutes, but we don't have pollution research institute. So we'll start one.
Where we are going to start it?
No, no. I don't do things like that. We'll first see. We'll gather. It is just a concept. Now, in next 3 months, we will concretize it, and we'll decide how it will be progressed.
Prakash, according to WHO, 30 most polluted cities in the world are in India.
This is
What
misconception.
step we are going to take?
I'll tell you. See, WHO report is a partial report because it talks about only PM 2.5 pollution. But there is ozone pollution, there is benzene pollution, there is SOx pollution, there is NOx pollution, and many countries of Europe and America are suffering by this pollution. I visit many cities. Every city has a pollution problem, different, but only pointing only 2.5, that is dust pollution, and only talking about India and developing world, and not talking about pollution. American people are crying of pollution in California, in Dallas, and everywhere. In Europe, there is pollution, ozone, and people are suffering. So that has not come forward. So we'll bring a paper which will give details of all kinds of pollution which impact health adversely. That will bring it and balance it.
Yeah, Prakash, back to your previous question, you told that you are going to treat that material, building material. But since last 5 years, you can see Bangalore, lots of huge that city garbages are there. In Gazipur, Delhi,
No, but
in the
let
border
me
of Delhi, in the border of
we
Delhi.
will not
But
allow
since
debris
last
to
10, no, already huge rocks of garbages are
One
there.
minute, 1 minute.
Nothing has done.
Let us see, there are problems. 70% nobody bothered about environment, and therefore the problems have cropped up and come as to the see. Delhi air has not foul, has become foul in last 2 years.
But Bangalore, it is a huge garbage problem.
So it is everywhere in all cities. So we have revamped all the waste management rules: solid waste management rule, e-waste management rule, plastic waste management rule, hazardous waste management rule, biomedical waste management rule, where we are now putting onus of segregation at source, giving onus to the producer, extended producer responsibility. He must ensure collection of plastic, tin or whatever he gives in. Then we are also mandating that municipal corporations can charge, but they must manage it scientifically, create and proper segregation and recycling has to be done, and the informal sector, which is rag pickers, will now become they will be mainstream. So these are the 5 major improvements we are doing.
But rules are there, but are you going
No,
to
no,
seriously
because-
implement it?
because
That is the important
I'll
issue
tell
in,
you,
in
no,
India.
Now for violations, there will be very severe penalty, and we are introducing a new bill by which the penalty will be from 10,000 rupees to 10 crore rupees depending upon the gravity of violation. So even the corporations will be fined, local bodies will be fined, and now you will realize today only we have gone to NGT against 4 erring municipal bodies. Ministry has gone in NGT. Now they will be taken to task. If somebody is violating, we are going against them to the Supreme Court also.
Okay.
For local bodies. For industries, I can close.
Okay.
And we are doing it.
2 years back, you have talked about making India land degradation neutral by 2030. What steps were taken in
Yes.
this?
See, we have 1/3 of the forest land degraded forest land. So we want to grow forest on degraded land. We will grow through Campa bill. We have passed the Campa bill in Lok Sabha.
Yeah.
42,000 crore rupees are going to the state. So mainly degraded lands there will be more afforestation through it. And there will be public-private partnership also. We are importing today 40,000 crore worth of timber from outside. We will now produce our own and will create that.
You also last month told about wasteland.
Yeah, wasteland no, it is actually degraded
Degraded
land.
land. Okay.
Because that is in the forest.
What is your plan to cut dependent on fossil fuels?
We have targeted in our INDCs that in 2030, 40% of our energy capacity mix will be from non-fossil fuel. So we will be having 1,75,000 achieved by 2022. Then there are 8 years more. So private people are also doing solar, wind energy, then biomass energy and hydro. There will be tremendous increase in non-fossil fuel and even nuclear. So all these put together will create non-fossil fuel more than any other country.
Prakash, what are the reasons for the widespread drought in the country?
Drought and floods are a natural phenomenon. But yes, with climate change and global warming, the frequency and ferocity of such incidences have increased. And therefore, we are taking now, Prime Minister is talking to each state separately. Yeah, otherwise, every year there used to be drought in some states. Center used to send team. According to the formula, center used to give help. Nothing more. Now our Prime Minister is sitting with every state, discussing 3 hours. What are the reasons for the famine? From where, why it is happening, where it is happening, how it can be tackled permanently, mid-term, long-term. And that is what he is asking states to look into through how to tackle with the drought. That's the big game.
And what is your take on genetically modified crops?
GM crop we are encouraging all science, but any science has to be safe for people. So we are looking into the safety angle also. So we have allowed safe GM crop field trials of 18 crops, but only one case for commercialization because study takes 8 years. After field trials, there will be possibility of commercialization. So there is only mustard which has come for commercialization. It's under process. It's under appraisal.
There are many companies like Monsanto, which your party was fighting for. What is their status?
No, we are doing justice to all. See, science we cannot stop. Our productivity is 1/2 of the world's average. We have to increase it, and we will increase it.
Okay. Again, coming to that Campa law, can you tell me in brief what is the Campa law and what is its importance?
I'll tell you. Since 2002, because of a court process and inaction on the part of the government subsequent, the fund which is every year generated from various states because of forest land diverted and projects coming into mining or something coming into forest area, large amount of money gets deposited, which is to be used for afforestation. But that was lying for last 13 years in banks instead of on ground. And thus an amount which was just 200 crore rupees in 2002, every year addition and interest thereon has become 42,000 crore rupees, which should have been used for afforestation, but which is not used for afforestation. And therefore, that amount, there was a legal angle to it, and we have removed that, and we have brought bill which Lok Sabha has passed unanimously, and Rajya Sabha will also pass. So that money will be used for greening the degraded forest land.
And what is your view on wholesale changes in the existing environmental laws?
Environmental laws, we have brought this CAMPA law, we are bringing this civil penalties law. As and when needed, we will definitely improve.
How do you propose to improve compliance to environmental laws and
That
standards?
is important. That is why civil
Yes.
penalties.
Yeah.
Standards we have already raised
Yeah.
for all industries. Pollution norms have been made more stringent.
Yeah.
So there will be less pollution from industries. But compliance was an issue.
Yeah.
Now I can show, and you can show. Now this is my mobile. It is getting message
Yeah.
that this is Orient Cement Telangana.
Mm.
50 is the prescribed standard of PM material. Value generated is 87.
Yeah.
So I am receiving SMSs.
From different.
This My Home Industry Telangana 600 and 624. So any violation for 15 minutes is reported to me directly.
Okay.
So I am now putting control.
Sir, there are 19 crore livestock in the country because animal welfare is also with you. So which is about 14% of the world's livestock.
17%, yeah.
14%.
ठीक है.
And 15 crore are indigenous livestock. What steps are being taken to protect this, and especially Indian bred cows, because PM has started a.
There are two areas. Cow and animal husbandry is with
Indigenous
agriculture.
livestock, yeah.
That protection and productivity increase and everything is with animal husbandry. In our ministry, it is only the cruelty part in their transport or in their shelter houses or in their slaughterhouses. Whether the cruelty angle, that is the only mandate environment ministry has. Other mandate of productivity increase, more dairy development and other things are with the animal husbandry.
Okay, you have nothing to do with the livestock.
That is their mandate.
Okay, are you, last question, are you happy with this ministry or you want to have a swap with any other ministry?
See, we are always happy with whatever work Modi gives to us because this is our moment of serving the people. I am now doing full-time work of party since its inception in 1980, 36 years. So we cherished a dream. Now is the time to realize the dream. And that is what, with every action we can do it.
I forgot one thing. There is a widely perceived perception about your ministry that you are giving your ministry
No.
in the industry. You are giving environment clearance very easily.
No, easily means we don't look to the faces. We don't look to the states. We don't discriminate. We have made processes transparent. We have decentralized. We have standardized. And we have brought technology into the process. Therefore, the delays are deleted. And we don't look to the faces of the industry, who is and which state. We see to the merit of the case and we automatically decide, and I don't interfere. And then because delays are deleted, actually environmental conditions are, we are putting more stringent.
No, but in compared to UPA, because you are the person who told that Jayanti tax was there during UPA.
But UPA, the average time taken for environmental approval was 600 days. Now it is only 190 days.
But how? But you are giving more clearances, or UPA was giving more?
No, clearances are given the same number.
Same.
Because which applications will come only will give, no?
Okay.
So they were also giving, we are also giving. But they were taking 600 days, we are taking 190 days. That's the difference.
So one hopes Jayanti tax is
Yes,
no more
if that
there.
is